Hey, welcome to my channel. Today I'm bringing you guys to another Gundam base in Taipei. Take the blue line to this station, head out from exit 1, and in about 5 minutes, you end up at this tech-focused shopping mall where you can find all kinds of gadgets, games, and anime stuff. You can't miss the Good Smile Company store with this giant Hatsune Miku standing right at the entrance. They've got figures in all sizes, and the way they're set up behind those glass panels is super clean and nice. I don't know every single character, but I do spot Lump from Yurusei Yatsura. And for the rest, yeah, no clue. But they look awesome. They've got motorized kits all over. Red 5, Blazing Garnet, Velemart, even Patlabor and Grit Knight. If you're into anime or Gundam, this floor is definitely worth checking out. But honestly, I'm here to escape the heat and show you guys around. There's a lot to see up here, so let's take a look. A whole bunch of Dashapon machines, some Avengers stuff, and a story pack with toys and collectibles. There's this game area with arcade and claw machines. I thought it was for kids at first, but it's mostly teenagers and adults hanging out there. Maybe it's still school time for the little ones. Here we are at the Gundam Base. I've actually been to quite a few already in Korea and Japan. Korea especially has a lot of them. I still remember years ago, I went to one inside Gundam Station's underground mall. I heard it's shut down now, but I wish I could find a photo. Honestly, it was the most ghetto Gundam base I've ever been to. There's also one in Hyundai. It's a bit of walk from the station, and you have to go up some stairs. And there are 3 more, bigger ones in Starfield Mall, Coas Mall, and iPark. Each one has its own vibe, even though most of them look pretty similar. Gundam Base isn't exactly known for having the best prices, but I'm really just here for the limited stuff. They've got a bunch of option part sets, and this one's the giant Gatling. This is an entry-grade painting model Strike Gundam. It just comes in white and gray, so you're supposed to paint the rest on your own. They've got some GIC and Bandai nippers here. GIC is a Taiwanese brand that makes various types of nippers, including single ashed, double ashed, and angled ones. Didn't end up buying anything this time, but hold on, gotta grab a few selfies first. Let's see which one I can get. Wasn't aware two $50 coins were needed for each slot, but I figured it out after. So three $50 new Taiwan coins on the left, and two on the right. That's roughly $10.50 Canadian dollars. I found this super cool Evangelion cafe, and they've got all kinds of EVA stuff. Figures in different scales, and this is a rubber toy. And these are some EVA toy cars. Got some EVA t-shirts and stationery stuff too. This pink photo is really cool. And these are the acrylic display stands. Found a whole section of Gundam gear, backpacks, umbrellas, wallets, and even cups. Right outside the building, there's a Chainsaw Man pop-up store. I've never watched the anime before. What about you guys? A bunch of my Taiwanese friends told me to check out the Wan Nian Building here in Ximending, but honestly, the green building looks super old school, like something from the 50s. According to ChatGPT, most of the Gunpla stuff is on the 4th floor, so let's head upstairs and check it out. This is the 3rd floor. Claw machines and gashapons are everywhere. Some stores here are dedicated to Ichiban Kuji. It's basically a toy lottery where you pick a ticket and draw for a prize. Most of these shops don't open until 11:30 a.m. or even noon, but they stay open pretty late, usually until 10:30 at night. I don't have permission to film inside any of these stores, so I'll just give you guys a peek from the outside. Alright, that's it for today's adventure. Oh yeah, that's a pop mart over there, if you're hunting for Labubu. Simanding really comes alive at night. Just look at this, people everywhere, even this late. Thanks for tagging along with me. If you enjoyed this little walk around, don't forget to like, comment, or just say hi down below. I'll catch you in the next one.